Morning all, how you doing? We're going to have a quick look at SHPING following my last video yesterday, and essentially we haven't broken yet in either direction. So this trend line, this flag formation is still going, but it's a very extended formation now. So just going to move, yeah, looking at it this way, actually it does still kind of fit. Yeah. So what to look for now? We've spent the last 6 hours sitting at a point of support. We're not going to be able to sit there much longer. So if we look at the previous times that we've basically been sitting on this support line, we went through it, and we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 6th hour, we fell through, found support at the next support level at 1340, moved, and then we got stuck at 1720, and then obviously we've got these two resistance zones just above, and we came back to 1590, which is roughly where we are now. And we sat here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the 6th hour we made our move. And then now we're just in this we're in this apex. We're not going to be able to sit here much longer if we don't go within the next 30 minutes or so. And I'm just going to move to the 30-minute chart to see what's been going on. Yeah, it's likely that we're going to see a drop. It's likely that from where we are we could have a 10-15% drop. Let's just see what that would be. Yeah, 15%. So look out, guys. This could be us not pushing through right now. I mean, what would possibly happen is we drop and then we bounce. But looking at the Ishimoku, we could drop to it at 1480 and then slingshot out of here, or we could fall into it, hold support at around 1440 before some bouncing around within the cloud, where we'd likely then have to wait for the red Ishimoku to catch up with us. So we wouldn't really be moving for a day. If we fall into the cloud and get stuck here, then we can guarantee that we're going to be spending a day circa the 1440 area, 1440 up to 16, but we'll literally just bounce around within. But what to look for? Obviously a move higher. We ideally will move higher, and we'll have a retest of up here and hopefully break through on this third attempt. But if not, we're going to bounce from the Ishimoku, fall into it, and if we fall into it quickly, we could fall straight through, and then we're going to struggle to get back above, purely because we've got this really strong flat line, which could be support if we fall in, or it could be heavy resistance if we try and get break back above. So key things to look for now would be grabbing that support from the Ichimoku or being held within it. But if we fall below, it's going to be lights out for a good day or so. And then what to look for if we do fall through it would be a drop to 1340, and then from there a drop back to a cent flat. Hopefully, really hopefully that doesn't happen. I'm just going to pull out to the 5 minutes, see how we're looking. Yeah, there's no tells with this right now. We are forming an apex, but we're making higher lows, but we're also making lower highs. So this could go either way. So not the most informative video, but just to say that we haven't broken yet. We haven't broken to the upside or to the downside. We are just consolidating to move, and comparable to what we saw down here, essentially, just on a wider scale. So it could be that we're going to break upwards, but obviously the reason you guys watch my videos and follow me, so I'm honest. I don't just ride the hopium. I tell you where it could go, worst case scenario. And as you've basically heard, we're very tied into the Ichimoku right now, where we're either going to touch it and bounce, touch it and fall in, touch it and fall through. If we do break to the upside, where could we go? Well, we have had previous support zones, so the greens are previous support zones, so we should be able to fly straight through those. But if we can't, then yeah, we're going to get held at 17 and then 2 cents, 2.2, 2.4, and I know we have a significant one at 2.5 coming up. All right, best of luck, guys. See you all soon.